Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you how to graph a parabola in 3 seconds only by analyzing the elements of the function and without finding the axis of symmetry or the coordinates of vertex. As you see, some parabolas on xy axis, and this is the origin, 0. Okay, first let me tell you some rules. First, start with constant, C. C is y-intercept, okay? This is C, this point is C, this point is C, and this point is C. If C is greater than 0, we have positive y-intercept. It lies above the origin on y-axis. If C is negative or less than 0, we have negative y-intercept. It lies below the origin on y-axis. Suppose you see here, this point, C is greater than 0 because it is above the origin. Okay, now you see here some parabolas below the origin. C is less than 0, and here C is less than 0. What about the coefficient of x, b? B is the slope of a curve at the point C. Okay, the slope of a curve. If b is greater than 0, the slope of a curve tends to upward. Okay, like this. And if b is less than 0, the slope of the curve tends to downward, like this. You see here, at the point C, the slope of a curve like this. It tends to downward, so b is less than 0. And this parabola, the point C, the slope of a curve tends to downward. B is less than 0. And this parabola, the slope of the curve, tends to upward. B is greater than 0. Let me tell you the trick. If B is greater than 0, use forward slash like this. Forward slash on a curve, exactly the size of a slash. If b is less than 0, use backslash like this, backslash. What about a, or the coefficient of x squared? If a is greater than 0, the curve opens upward like this. If a is less than 0, the curve opens downward. Let me give an example to make it clear. Alright, this is a question: which parabola is the graph of f of x equals negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 2? Okay, first we have negative 2x squared. It opens downward. This is not correct. It opens upward. And we have positive 2, y-intercept. Okay? Y-intercept positive. Why y-intercept is 0? This is not correct. Y-intercept is positive 2. Yes. And y-intercept is positive 2. Yes. But the coefficient of x is positive 3. Okay? It shows the slope of the curve is upward. The slope upward, the slope flat. This is the answer.